Samsung just officially announced the update that was hidden under the Galaxy Z Fold 8 series. It's hidden, but it changes how the whole folding screen works. And when we put it together with what has already been leaked, the Z Fold 8 Ultra looks a lot more Ultra than it did yesterday. Since months ago, rumors have been going around that Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 8 series might have the least noticeable fold yet. But Samsung's official announcement shows that the real improvement goes far beyond just hiding the fold line. The new Flex titanium display was publicly unveiled by Samsung. However, the material itself isn't what makes it better. Samsung moved it there. You're smart for saying that. The Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition and the Z Fold 7 already have metal inside them. The distance to the OLED is much smaller this time. A very thin layer made of titanium alloy has been put over the old polymer film. It's 20 times stiffer than before, according to Samsung. Another support plate sits under that. The trouble is this. The plate wouldn't fold very well if it was rigid. Samsung made tiny holes in it so that it would stay strong while still being able to bend with the screen. That means the plan doesn't call for more titanium. One of the softest layers under the OLED needs to be swapped out for one of the strongest. And this is important because the hinge is not the only thing that makes the gap. The layers under the OLED stretch, compress, and slowly settle around the folding area with each fold. The pattern plate gives the screen a more stable base when the phone is fully open, and the stiffer titanium film should help spread the pressure more equally. With this upgrade, the screen shouldn't sink as far around the fold over time. It might also make the inner screen feel less soft and more like a regular phone screen when you touch it. Also, the new screen has a higher quality and uses a lot less power. Samsung isn't the first company to use titanium to smooth out folds, but the new alloy film right under the OLED seems to be a real improvement to the structure. Then all of a sudden, every Z Fold 8 Ultra leak makes sense. There are new pictures for the Z Fold 8 series that show how different the two Fold 8 models will look when you hold them. The normal Fold 8 looks a lot shorter and wider. A cheaper fold with weaker hardware isn't the only thing the standard Z Fold 8 seems to be. It has its own clear personality. The standard fold should work better for landscape video and side-by-side multitasking because it is shorter and bigger. It might be harder to hold with one hand and fit in pockets that aren't very wide. Each design has its good points. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.